Hey drivers, Brian here, your honest mechanic, and today we're tackling a silent engine killer, cold start mistakes. I am not exaggerating when I say these bad habits can shave 15,000 to 25,000 miles off your engine's life. Let's break down the 5 biggest cold start mistakes that are quietly destroying engines, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, revving the engine right after starting. Jumping in, turning the key, and revving the engine cold? Big mistake. Here's why. When your engine is cold, metal components like pistons and cylinder walls are slightly contracted. Metal only reaches its proper size when heated. If you rev early, those cold parts slam against each other, creating what we call piston slap, that rattling noise you might hear at startup. Do this often enough, and you'll end up with scored cylinder walls and worn piston rings, repairs you definitely don't want to pay for. Mistake number 2, long idling to warm up. This one sparks a lot of debate. Letting your car idle for 10 minutes in the driveway. It seems like the safe thing to do, but here's the truth. Cold idling runs the engine rich, meaning excess fuel seeps past cold piston rings and dilutes your oil. Plus, idling generates very little heat. It can take 15-20 minutes to warm up fully this way. The right way? Start your engine, wait 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to circulate, and then drive off gently. Light driving warms your engine faster and more safely than long idling. Mistake number 3, using the wrong oil viscosity. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, especially at startup. Cold oil is thicker and flows slower, even synthetic oils. For the first few seconds, your engine is running with minimal lubrication. Metal-on-metal contact is happening. That's why using the manufacturer-recommended oil viscosity is absolutely non-negotiable, especially in winter. And again, give your engine that 30-60 second window to let oil circulate before putting it under load. Mistake number 4, short trips and quick shutdowns. Think a quick 2-minute drive to the store is harmless? Think again. Short trips don't allow your engine to heat up enough to burn off moisture and unburned fuel in the oil. Over time, this causes oil breakdown and internal corrosion, and it's worse in winter when engines already struggle to reach full temperature. Try to combine errands into longer trips, or if it's truly a short hop, consider walking. It's better for your engine and your wallet. The correct cold start routine. So, what should you actually do? It's simple. Start the engine. Wait 30-60 seconds for oil to circulate. Drive gently, keeping RPM under about 2,500 until the temperature gauge reaches normal. For turbocharged engines, give it a bit more time before hitting boost. These small habits can add years of reliable life to your engine. I've rebuilt enough motors to see the pattern. Early failures almost always come from poor cold start practices. Treat your engine right when it's cold, and it'll take care of you for the long haul.